Harnessing the sun's energy, solar panels and inverters. Solar panels are amazing. They capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. But there's a catch. Solar panels produce direct current or DC electricity. Our homes use alternating current or AC electricity. That's where inverters come in. Inverters act like translators, converting DC electricity from your solar panels into usable AC electricity for your home. Microinverters, powering up your solar system. Let's dive into the world of microinverters and see how they revolutionize solar energy. Traditional inverters are big and convert the electricity from all your panels at once. Microinverters are different. They offer a more efficient and flexible solution. They're small and attached to each individual solar panel. This allows for better performance and easier maintenance. This means each panel has its own dedicated inverter. Why is this cool? Because it enhances the overall efficiency of your solar system. Each panel operates independently. This independence is crucial for maximizing energy production. So, if one panel is shaded, the others aren't affected. This ensures that your system continues to produce energy efficiently. This maximizes your solar energy production, making your investment in solar technology even more worthwhile. Advantages of microinverters: efficiency and flexibility. Microinverters offer several advantages over traditional string inverters. They are becoming increasingly popular due to their unique benefits. First, they're super easy to install. Unlike traditional systems, microinverters attach directly to each solar panel. Since they're small and attached directly to panels, installation is a breeze. This reduces labor time and cost significantly. Second, they offer excellent flexibility for expanding your system later on. You can start small and grow your system as needed. Just add more panels and microinverters as your energy needs grow. This makes it easy to adapt to changing energy requirements. Finally, their modular design allows for flexible array layouts. You can customize the setup to fit your roof's unique shape. You can place panels wherever there's sunlight, regardless of roof orientation or shading issues. This maximizes energy production and efficiency. Safety first, meeting rapid shutdown requirements. Safety is paramount with any electrical system, especially solar power. Ensuring that solar installations meet rapid shutdown requirements is crucial for protecting both property and lives. Microinverters excel in this area. These devices convert direct current, DC, generated by solar panels into alternating current, AC, right at the panel level, enhancing overall system safety. They inherently meet rapid shutdown requirements, which are safety regulations designed to shut down solar panels quickly in emergencies. This rapid shutdown capability is essential for first responders like firefighters, who may need to work on or near solar installations during an emergency. With microinverters, if there's a power outage or an issue, each panel automatically shuts down. This localized shutdown feature ensures that even if one part of the system fails, the rest can continue to operate safely. This makes it much safer for firefighters and anyone working on your roof. They can perform their duties without the risk of electric shock, knowing that the system is designed to minimize hazards. In conclusion, microinverters are a fantastic innovation in solar technology. They not only improve the efficiency and reliability of solar power systems, but also significantly enhance safety measures. They offer increased energy harvest, design flexibility, and most importantly, enhanced safety. By choosing systems with microinverters, homeowners can enjoy peace of mind, knowing their solar installations are both efficient and secure. For questions or more info, visit www.ownsenergy.com.